This is the first assembly which we can see into a kit called as Centrifugal Force Kit 1. Now here you can see there is one pipe, one bird is there on the top, and there is one elephant. Now bird and elephant are connected with each other through a thread. When I start moving this bird into circular motion, you can see bird can lift the elephant. Now if I stop it, the motion, and then you will be able to see that elephant will go back to its own place. Again I am showing you the demo. If birds start moving into the circular motion, slowly elephants start coming up from the pipe. If you stop, it will go down. Now exactly what happened here, when bird is moving into circular motion, that time there is one force which is called as centrifugal force, which is acting on the bird. This centrifugal force is trying to put bird on the edge of the circle. It is the force which is acted on the bird. Same force is transmitted through the thread to the elephant, and that is why elephant is lifted up. And now I will show you another demonstration of the kit. For second demonstration of centripetal force, you can see there is a cup filled with water. You can see there is a cup filled with water. I kept this cup on this pan. Now what I will do, I will try to rotate this pan with the thread. You can see the cup is completely filled with water, but water is not falling down at all. Why this is happening? Why water is not falling down? Not a single drop of water came out from the cup. This is another demonstration of the centripetal force.